my fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. I've been going through some shoes. I found some losties. I don't even know when I bought these. Let me give you guys some box action. So I'm going to have some varied shoes in this video. Get these out the box for you guys real quick. There we go. These are what people like to call janitor or worker shoes, all black. So like I said, I don't know when I bought these. Okay, you got some spin action. And I number these down in the box. I came to the conclusion that I'm never going to get to the end of my shoe collection. And so I might not, well, even try. I'll get you guys some closer up on that so you can see that Air Jordan symbol. But yeah, like I said, at this rate, I'll never get to the end. So I'm just going to keep on making these videos, pumping them out for you guys and myself so I can at least know what shoes I own. Like I said, because I don't even remember buying these. No shoe in this video. Well, I remember buying, like I say, one shoe in this video. I remember buying because I just bought it for myself and a customer. But other than that, gotta keep on rolling, guys. Let's get to the next shoe. Alright guys, this next shoe, I don't know when I got these at all. I went into my storage and I found a pallet of these shoes. Boxes were kind of in bad shape, but the shoes are perfect, so I have a lot for sale if you're interested in the Air Max 95s. This one is my cousin Ron's pair. He asked me to see it closer and a better one. This is size 9, cousin Ron. This is the shoe you'll be getting. Just going through, I have these in my size as well. I kept a pair, so if you're interested in this shoe, let me know. Won't know the name of this. I think it's the Air Max 95 Neon. I'm going to check my phone now as I talk to you guys and give you another spin. I had to do a lot of research on this shoe. It's a pretty good shoe. I'm not an Air Max 95 guy, but a lot of people are, so I have to get them constantly. I'm getting into Air Max 95s, 97s. As you guys know, having them in my collection is a priority now. These are called the Reverse Volt Glow in black. They're 3M and neon on the whole shoe. A pretty good shoe. I'm gonna give you guys one more. 360 again, cousin Ron. This is your pair. Size 9s. Reverse Volt Glow. I'll go through. Like I said, I kept a pair for myself. Just an awesome shoe. Like I said, I don't know when I bought them, but I just threw them into storage. Alright guys, let's get to the next shoe. Alright guys, this next shoe is a specials edition shoe. I'm going to get you some box action. It is the Air Max 95 DNHM. Get you some more box action because it's a custom box. You see the little Nike cutout. Nothing special, but everybody says they want to see full box action. Let's open her up. See the shoes come bagged into separate bags. Let me get you guys a good look at one of the bags. Take out one of the shoes. So place the bag up there for you guys first. You can see how the shoe comes packaged. Nice little bag. It has scissors all over the bag. Open this up. Have a pair of these at my size. I got this for a customer. He couldn't fit them. So if anybody's interested in a pair of size 7 Air Max 95s, these are also available. Either DM me or come to the shop and they'll hook you up. I had a variant of these that just recently released. I believe this is more rare and better than the variant that just came out. I think they just had the neon greens, the neon yellows. This is the Denham, they call these, the Denham Air Max 95s, in case you're looking for them. Pretty rare. This is a dead stock pair. So if you're interested in size 7, let me know. I'll give you guys another quick spin and give you some bottom action. It's a pretty cool shoe. Like I said, one of my favorite Air Maxes. This is why I got a pair. I bought this for the customer and seen the box. I had to go back and get a pair for myself just because they were so limited and rare. Again, thanks for watching, guys. We're going to keep going through these shoes. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what shoes you want to see next. Let me see what games you guys want to get reviewed. And I'm going to leave a link below to my gardening channel because it's almost about time to get back at gardening. Everybody stay cool out there. Everybody fucking